Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making beef chow mein. Absolutely delicious, better than your typical restaurant style beef chow mein. This recipe is so delicious, you definitely will be making this recipe over and over. So my friend, if you love chow mein, this recipe is perfect for you. For this recipe, you're going to need a combination of mixed veggies. Next, in a pot of boiling water, you want to go ahead and add a pinch of oil. And next, you want to go ahead and add your favorite chow mein. And then cook for 2 to 3 minutes or as needed. So my friend, on this channel I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe that you can easily put together at home in little or no time. As always, if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. So my friend, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok and also Facebook, and be sure to like. So my friend, this looks amazing. After 3 minutes you are all done. Just remove and drain. So my friend, for this recipe I'm using beef which has been thoroughly seasoned and pre-boiled. Next I'm going to go ahead and just cut it in desired pieces. Next, in a heated pot you want to go ahead and add a pinch of oil and also chopped garlic and stir fry for a few seconds. After a few seconds, you want to go ahead and add your chopped beef and stir fry for a minute or two. Next, you want to go ahead and add your chopped veggies and stir fry for a minute or two. So my friend, this looks amazing. Next, you want to go ahead and add your boiled chow mein or noodles and just start fry it for a few minutes. So friends, for our season, I'll be using chow mein seasoning and also soy sauce for flavor and taste. For this recipe, you certainly can use any of your favorite chow mein seasoning. So friends, at this point we are all done. Beef chow mein recipe. I hope you give this recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any question or comment you may have below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.